Hello everyone, this is my name mnemonic assignment, and my name is Fernan Chong. Alright, so this is a picture of me, and I play golf for my school, and if you look at me, and I play golf, then you'll know that it's pretty hot when you go play golf outside. It's very hot. You would say that it's burning, burning. It's burning outside, you know what I'm saying? So burning rhymes with Fernan, Fernan Chong. I also have long clubs, and you see that long club that I use to hit balls. It's pretty long, and that rhymes with Chong. So there you go. You can tell that my name is Ferdinand Chong because when I play golf, it's hot outside, so it's burning, and then my clubs are long, so Chong. Okay, here's some facts about me. I was born in New York, but I moved down to Texas when I was like a couple months old, and I've been to the Philippines about 6 times. My last time, like 3 or 4 years ago, to go visit family over there. It's pretty sweet over there. I like going over there for vacation. All right, about me. I played intramural sports here, like basketball and flag. Hopefully, we have that this year. I'm not sure because of Rona. All right, my favorite basketball player is John Wall, and my favorite quarterback is Kellen Mond. D. Kellen Mond, GOAT. I'm also a legend on NBA 2K for those of you that know what that is. Why am I taking psych? Well, I'm taking psych because it's required, right? But Mr. Smith is also the best professor here, and I really enjoy his class. So, my career, hopefully, is to be a pediatrician in the future. Okay, that's my presentation. Thank you, everyone.